Hello, in this tutorial, I will show you how to build a real web app using Flames.blue AI in 2026. From project setup to UI generation, customization, and deployment. This is not just a feature walkthrough. We'll actually build a usable website so you can follow along and apply it to your own projects. First, navigate to any browser, go to the search bar and type in Flames.blue AI. Now, click on flames.blue link. Now, it will take you to this page where you'll have to basically sign up if you don't have an account. If you already have an account, simply sign in. After signing in, this will be the exact dashboard that you will see. You'll have to simply place your cursor in describe your app in detail section and type in the thing that you want to make. For example, if I would want to make a random color picker app, I will simply type in a random color picker app that helps people pick random colors by pressing button. The interface should be interesting. So what you'll have to simply do after coming to flames.blue is navigate to this page and type in the characteristics of the app that you want to build, how you want the app to behave, and for what purpose are you making this app. After describing your app, click on Build with AI button. After describing your app, simply click Build with AI button. After you click the button, it will instantly start building your application. Now, it will instantly take you to this page where it will start creating your application. As you can see, at the top we have preview through which you can see your app, the code, database, media, and these options available. So you'll have to wait for a few moments and your app will be made. Now, as you can see, Flames.blue has built us this amazing app that is our random color picker that we described it to generate. So this is our application. Now, if I click pick a random color here, it will instantly generate a random color. As you can see, when I click this button, the color is appearing just right here. We're also getting the colors hex code just right here. Also, we have the option to copy our hex code or copy the RGB. You can also click clear history and this will remove any history of random color that you would have generated. Also, the history is appearing at the bottom. So if I click this and generate, say, 10 random colors, the history will appear here. If I click clear history, it will instantly remove all of them. So it's pretty cool. Also, if you click this button, it will show how your application is going to look like on a mobile phone. Now, on my mobile phone, if I'll click this button, it will work just like this. We have all the functionalities on our mobile phone. You can also choose tablet or PC and see how your app is going to look like. Now, after making your app, you can also click the code icon and upgrade to premium and edit the code anyhow you want. Or you can also request the code in dashboard if you want it. So the code download is available for premium users only. You can upgrade to premium plan to unlock this. Click upgrade to premium. It will take you to this page where you can see you have these options to upgrade. Simply click upgrade to any plan, complete the payment, and you have instant access to Flames.blue. Now, you can also click database and select a collection. For example, you can refresh this page from just right here by loading documents and much more. Also, if you click media, you will see the media database available. So we'll simply click preview. Now, after navigating to our page, what we can also do is simply click on this section, and this is where you can easily edit anything you want. For example, if you would want to change the app's interface or UI in any way you want, you can simply describe the changes just right here, type in, click send, and you'll have instantly changed the element that you want to change. So, for example, if you'd want to change the title or any of the elements, you can describe it just right here and it will instantly do any changes that you want. Now, click publish button at the top right and click publish to web. Now, it will instantly start deploying your application. So you'll have to wait for the deployment to get finished. After the deployment process gets finished, you will see this pop-up saying published successfully. And it will say your project has been deployed and is now live. You can copy this URL and paste it in a new browser and you'll instantly be taken to your new app. As you can see, it says Flames app at the top and my app is appearing just like this. If I scroll down, I have the random color picker here. I can click this button. It will instantly generate the random color. I can copy the hex from here, paste it anywhere I want. I can also clear the history for this. So it's pretty good and interesting. Now, what you can also do is connect a custom domain through which you can publish this app yourself and it won't show Flames logo. Also, you can connect your own domain and unlock more features. Click upgrade now. It will open up another page where you can easily upgrade to a plan and get your app published by yourself. Now, what you can also do is click on your profile icon at the top right and you will see your current subscriptions here, account details here, the credits you will have left, and purchase more credits. So you get credits for spending on making anything. For example, if you make an app, some credits will be spent on making the app. Also, the changes requires credit. If you click purchase more credits, it will instantly show up this pop-up where you can easily click buy now after any amount of credit that you want, complete the payment, and you'll have the credit to edit or make a new app. Now, if I click my projects at the top right, it will show up my previous projects available just right here. I can click deployed projects and it will show up the amount of projects I will have deployed. So the status of my project is published. I can also click on this pencil icon and name my project anything I want. After naming your app, hit enter and you can copy the URL from just right here, share the URL with anyone you want, and they'll be easily able to access your app and use it. Now, you can click new project plus icon at the top right to make a new project. Describe your app in detail here. Any kind of app like marketing, SaaS, or any entertainment app that you want. Simply type in your idea, describe your app in detail, click build with AI, and you'll have instantly made your app using Flames.blue without any problem. Also, I have some few quick tips. Keep prompts clear and specific because AI works best with details. Use consistent style tokens like colors, fonts to maintain branding, and test on desktop and mobile before final publish. Flames.blue AI saves time, but thinking through a structure first makes results better. And that's it. You just built a web app with Flames.blue AI from scratch. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.